Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another PC program video. Sorry about that, was my air freshener. Another PC program video here with me, LJ148 or LJ2468. Today we've got a tutorial on how to host a private Minecraft server with your friends. You can have up to 4 people on this server, and they will be able to access it from if they're connected to a different network, or if they're at their house and you're at your house, and you're both on completely different broadband. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your browser and you're going to go to Minecraft, spell it right, that'll help, minecraft.net, and here where it says underneath Buy Now, the big button Buy Now, here where it says Play Minecraft, you're going to go to Download, and then you're going to want to go to Minecraft Server just here and download that, and this will give you one exe file, really handy exe file. It won't have the 4 next to it. I've got the 4 next to it because I've downloaded 4 of them. Let's wait for that to download. Okay, now that that's finished downloading, we're going to make a file on our desktop and we're going to call it whatever we want. In my case, I've got a file here called MineServer, but to get one of them we just right click and hit New Folder, and then we type in a name and it's there. So I'm going to delete that one because we've already got our MineServer. Then what we're going to do is we're going to drag what we've just downloaded, Minecraft Server, won't have the 4, just Minecraft Server.exe, into MineServer, into the folder we've just created. Now what we're going to do is we're going to double click on Minecraft Server, and you can either check or uncheck. If you check that, it'll always come up with this security warning. If you uncheck it, it will just run it. Whether that's checked or unchecked, you're going to click Run and it will allow your computer to run this. It's a Java window. And now it's going to create your Minecraft world, and it's going to put in all these folders. So now you see what it's done. It's put that Java window still there. It's now created all these folders, and they're going to be your server folders. So wait for that to generate, and it's done. Now that that's done, we can just cross that out. It might take a moment the first time you ever cross it out. Wait for that to go. And there we go, gone. And now you've got all these folders. In this first folder is going to be your world. So that's the world that the Minecraft server will run. If you've already got worlds, for instance in %app data% in your Minecraft.net, in your .minecraft folder saves, if you've already got worlds, you can drag them in to here. You can delete this world file and then drag your worlds into here and rename them worlds just like that, and it will use the world you've already got as your Minecraft server world. But what we're going to do to get this up and running is we're going to go to server, and I'm going to run you through what all of these mean. It's really straightforward. Okay, so generator settings, you can leave that blank. Allow never, you can either click true or false. This is going to allow players to get into the nether. Level name, you can leave that. That's going to be the name of your world. Enable query, you can just leave that as false. Allow flight. Now this is where if you put true here, it'll allow players to double tap space and be able to fly. If you put false, you won't be able to. Leave server port exactly how it is, and level type you can leave it as default. You can either have that as super flat or whatever, that's just for generating. Enable archon, we're going to leave as false. Now level seed, if you want to, you can delete this world file, so that's your Minecraft world gone, and you can punch in a level seed. So for example, hello, just like you would if you were going to start a single player, and punch in a level seed. Server IP you're going to leave blank. We'll come to this in a minute because we're going to get a program called Hamachi. Max build height, obviously self-explanatory, max build height. Spawn NPCs, you can leave that as true or false, it's going to be NPC villages and things like that. Non-player characters, I think that stands for. Whitelist, now the whitelist is just here, and if you enable that, only the people on this list are going to be able to join your game. So for instance, I've got a friend called Titchy2, and if I leave that and save that and turn whitelist to true, that means only Titchy will be allowed to join the game. If anyone else tries to join the game, it will say you're not whitelisted. So you can either leave that as true or false, but remember, if you do put it as true, make sure you put their names just like that. So I've got a friend called hello and goodbye. Just put them like that and then save that file. I'm not going to save it because I don't want that. Hardcore, that's going to be if the game mode is hardcore. Spawn animals, you're going to leave as true or you can put it as false. texture pack. Now if you want the server to have a dedicated texture pack, so for example Stacks, you put the name of the texture pack in there, and as someone joins the game it will tell them that they need to have a texture pack, or they should have a texture pack to play. Now because we're hosting an online server, we're going to put that to false. So it's, don't worry, people will still be able to join it online, but this just means it's not going to check for people's names, meaning that even if they've got a cracked version of the game, they'll still be able to join. Game mode. 0 equals peace. 0 equals survival. 1 is creative. Okay, so 0 survival, 1 creative. If you want the game to be a creative mode, you can just put 1 like that. If you want it to be survival, you put 0. It's entirely up to you. My server is going to be survival. Max players, self-explanatory. It's the max amount of players. View distance, same thing, self-explanatory. Message of the day. Now, when you're in your server browser, it's going to have the name there, and underneath it, it will have something like "Welcome to this server." If I spell it right. Yeah. Now, the message of the day is going to be what this says here. Okay. So if you type in welcome to the server here, it's going to come up like that when people are server browsing, and that's just going to be that. So I'm going to leave that as welcome, spelled right. Welcome to this server, and that's that done. Okay. So as long as you've got online mode false, server IP blank, and server port leave it as it is, you're all good to go. Now you're going to come off that and you're going to save it. And the next thing we're going to move on to is not that's a log of everything that happens, so people chat, it's all going to be in there. We're going to move to ops, OPS. Ops are operators of the server. So my name is the PC Program 1, and I'm going to put that there, and if I save that, that means that when the PC Program 1 joins, he's going to be an operator. So he'll be able to teleport to places, he'll be able to teleport people to him, he'll be able to give other people items, give himself items, or herself items. He'll be able to fly if they want to, they'll be able to change their game mode. It enables you to just do whatever you want. So like if you're going to want to put your username in there, and then you have a really close friend, so say my friend Hamachi too, if I want him to be able to change his game mode and so I'll put him in there as well. And then we'll just back it out and save. Banned IPs. If you put an IP in there, that will be the people who are banned. If you put it like this in this, hang on. No, my mistake. This is a log. So if you go in game and you type -ban and then their name, it will put a log in here and it will say what their name is, when they were banned, who they were banned by, and when they're banned until, and then why they were banned. So that's all well and good. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the download link below, and that's, I haven't got a download link, and it's going to be LogMeIn Hamachi. And then you can click that link and it's going to take you to this page. And this is the secure LogMeIn Hamachi page. And we're going to go for the unmanaged download now. And once we've done that, we'll click OK because we're going to click confirm and click download new. Now that we've downloaded that, I've got 2 by mine because I've already got it. And you run through that, and that download will finish. Hang on. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, so once that's finished downloading, you go through the installation, you click yes, tap yes, and all that, and it's installed. Now we're going to have this little window. You're going to double click it, and you're going to have this. And you won't have this network 6.0. This is one of my private networks. Before you do anything, you're going to click the power button if it's grey, and it will turn orange, and that will power on your network. And now it will say join an existing network or create a new network. And you're going to click create a new network. And it will come up with this. Now what you're going to punch in is anything you want for the network. So this is going to be called my cool network. Password. You can do anything you want, so hello there. Confirm password, hello there. And then you click create. Password do not match. Fantastic. Here we go. This network name's been called taken. Okay. This Michael network 33456 create. And there we go, there's my new network. Now when you click the drop down button, you'll get a list of names who are in this network, but obviously there's going to be no one in this network at the moment. So you're going to get your friends to go to this download link, and they're going to have to download one program called LogMeIn, and they're going to download that, and they'll get this. They turn on the power button, they click join an existing, and you give them the details. So it's Michael network 33456, password 12345, and they click join. And like this network here, they'll pop up down there, and if they're green, that means you've got a direct tunnel to them. If they're orange or red, you've got a blocked tunnel to them, and if they're blank, it means they're not online, so you've got no connection to them at all. Now once they're connected to this server, you're going to go into Minecraft. So my Minecraft is here. Wait for it to load. You're going to log in,